Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to play a YouTube video from your MacBook Air onto your Samsung Smart TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to play this YouTube video onto your Samsung Smart TV without having to actually search for this exact YouTube video. How do you actually get to just play straight right away? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, you need to make sure that your computer and your Samsung Smart TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So do make sure that it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And then next, what you need to do is that you need to go on the YouTube video that you want to go ahead and cast or play. And then click on these three dots. And then from here, you need to go down to where it says cast, save, and share, and then click on cast. So once you click on cast, you need to find your smart Samsung TV, which is this one right here, and then click on it. So right now, I'm just going to go ahead and click on it again, and you'll see that now my Samsung Smart TV is loading. And so you need to give it a couple of seconds for it to actually go ahead and pull up. But you'll see that it's now connecting, and you'll see that it's actually loading right over here. And there you have it. So now I have this YouTube video being played on my Samsung Smart TV. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect the YouTube video to your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.